going to shine this up to be brand looking new. And I'll show you all my tips and tricks. And it'll take about maybe half an hour to clean this up, maybe. It's pretty filthy though. Inside here as well. Down here is a lot of stuff, so. All right, guys, let's get to it. We're going to use also water. I'm going to scrub it. Maybe a little bit of soap. But also we're going to use WD-40 paper towels to shine it back up. And you make sure you have a trash can nearby. You want to put all your bits of debris in your trash can. Alright, let's get started. First things first, let's get this thing broken down. Alright guys, the first thing I recommend is wear some gloves, because you're going to get dirty. And you want to clean the grill in an area, like in the grass or the dirt. You don't want to dirty up your driveway or your patio. So now remove all the grates off the top of the grill, and then remove the grill heat shields. And all the parts that we remove, we're going to scrub them later, get them real clean. So guys, when's the best time to clean your barbecue grill? Usually at the end of the season or at the beginning of the season. However, if you grill once or twice a week, you might need to clean it once every 2 months. And this dyna-glo grill has a smoker box, and we're going to clean that too. And a sure sign that your grill needs to be cleaned is that you're getting a lot of flare-ups. So when that happens, clean the grill. And of course, don't forget the grease tray. This is super dirty. Look at that mess. Yuck. So after I clean this, I'll show you a tip so that you'll never have to clean this again. And make sure to use that trash can. Dump all the bits and debris in there. So guys, here's my first tip when cleaning your grill. Never ever throw out an old brush. Always save it for deep cleaning your grill. You want to save your good brush for only cleaning the grates when you're barbecuing. The old brush will work great for cleaning all these parts. And that old grill scraper made short work of the grease tray. And this is the grease trap that goes under the grease tray. All the grease funnels down into this. And this is nasty and stinks. So I'll go ahead and clean this, and then I'll show you a cool trick that will make cleaning this again real easy. And all you'll need is some aluminum foil. So simply use paper towels to wipe out the grease trap. We're going to line this grease trap with foil later, and we'll line the grease tray as well. So now we'll give all our parts a good washing. And after you've washed them down pretty good, all that water will loosen all the bits. So now scrape it off again. Scrape this good. Smoker box. Well, best you can. So now it's time to clean the heat shields. And the heat shields weren't too dirty. The water from the hose cleaned it off pretty good. Okay, now it's time for the 3 grates. We'll scrub each one really well and then rinse it off with the water. So what do you think is the most popular barbecue food in the US? And it's not what you think. It's not even a meat or even a vegetable. That's right, it's watermelon. And to be honest, I've never grilled watermelon. So FYI, you don't have to get these grates perfectly clean. Just do the best you can. And after we're all done, you can fire up the grill for about 10 minutes on 500 to burn off the rest of the debris. I'd say I cleaned off about 80% of the debris. Not bad. I'll let the grill do the rest of the work while I'm sipping a beer. So the grease trap here fits into the grease tray like this. And remember, we're going to line both the tray and the grease trap with foil. One mistake I did make was not cleaning the inside of this, so it's all going to go on this tray. So I'm going to clean this all out really well, and then I'll have to re-clean this bottom one. So don't make the mistake I made, and all some other things as well. Alright, now it's time to clean this out real good. I got the gunk here and the gunk over here into this tray. I'll rinse this back out again, and then I'm going to line this with some foil. So next time we cook, it'll be easy to clean. Should have done this from the get-go, but live and you learn. So once again, we'll use that old brush, and we'll clean the inside of the grill really well. You can see right here, we lined that tray with foil and the drip pan too. Now it's time to wash down the grill. You put a little bit of soap on top of the grill and start spraying. You're going to wash down the grill really well and get all the bits and grime off of it. So guys, when you're grilling, do you prefer charcoal or gas? In an online poll, 73% prefer charcoal over gas. Charcoal seems to give a flavor of wood chips, while gas grills give more of a bacon-like taste. And I do like bacon, so I guess I like gas grills better. Alright, now we have all the heat shields in. And now we'll attach the smoker box. Yeah, that's how it goes. So remember that. There you go. I almost forgot how it went there. This in first, then these two go on top. You go and you can put your stuff in here. And we'll probably do some smoking this weekend for the holiday. Alright. Now we'll attach all three grates. And these simply fall into place. It's pretty easy. Now the grates aren't perfectly clean, but I'm just going to turn this on later, crank up the heat, and it'll burn everything off and get it nice and clean. I can scrape it again if I want, but it's way better than what it was. Way better. And you're probably looking at this going, this is gross, but we're going to shine this up. It's going to look perfecto. I'll show you how we're going to do it. Alright guys, the miracle of WD-40. Just spray a little bit on an area and start wiping with a paper towel. It cleans really, really well and leaves a great shine. And FYI, you can use WD-40 on metal patio furniture as well to clean and shine it back up. So guys, we're all done and it's time for grilling and chilling. And this grill looks brand new. And guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Alright, we're all done here. Look guys, it's perfect. It looks great. The grates are not perfect. Obviously, they're still a little dirty, but I'm going to crank this to 500 degrees. And that will do is I'll cover this and then it will just cook the rest of it off. I can come back and scrape a little bit more if I need to. But right now, it looks great. You can see there's nothing here. There's no dirt or grime. That WD-40 took everything off. It's shined up like it's brand new. Everything looks good. Looks good in here. All the grates look very good and clean. There'll be no flare-ups. Like I said, remember, put the foil on the drip pan below, and even underneath that little small drip pan, put foil and all that. That way it's easy to clean. I wish I did that when I first bought this grill. So if you buy a new grill, that's what you should do to avoid all of these, the heavy cleaning. It's kind of a pain. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you love it, you know what to do. Hit subscribe. It's free. Thanks again for watching guys. I really appreciate it.